nothing, guys. This is not enough. What do you want in my life? Hi guys, what's up everyone? Anyway, I have to shut the TV off. Hello MaryAnn's viewers. Thank you guys for coming back and dropping by. Today is the mukbang thing. I have water and a lot of ice in it. I went to Asian store, if you remember, and maybe that video, maybe that vlog is not up yet, but I went to Asian store and I picked up something to review and to eat and to do mukbang with you guys. So I have my gourmet toyo. It smells good. It smells good. And then I have rice, which is this rice, guys. It's really nothing. It's like very little, but it's lunchtime and I don't want to get full. I got this from Scarsdale Asian store. I don't know you guys, but if you can buy this in any great Asian store, yeah, this is what I got. But I will let you know if I like it or not. This is my first time of trying this fil-am. This is the dried herring with garlic. Herring, guys, is that ba yun? That's the name of the thing. With garlic in olive oil. It's a gourmet toyo. And yeah, so I'm gonna have my lunch and then I will tell you what I think about this one. And then if it's worth it. What I have right here is also the, you know, the spicy vinegar. Sorry if you can hear the dog running around. They are playing, okay? So let's try this one. Before that, guys, I wanna check it. That's how I eat canned food. I always check it if there's nothing moving. I always look at it, you know. That's how you do it. It smells really good. I never have gourmet toyo, guys. I don't eat. Okay, guys, this is my first time trying this, and yeah, so it's right now. It's kind of scrambled because I kind of like scoop it in because it's really packed in. It's really like packed in. It's really hard to take out one by one because it's really tight inside, and so you cannot really it's not easy to take it all out. So I kind of like scoop it all, and that's why it's kind of looking scrambled to you guys, right? And allergic information: this product is manufactured in the same equipment that process baby squid, baby clams, shrimp, and milkfish, and that's from New Jersey, product of the Philippines, and expired April 11, 2018. Okay, 230 gram servings. But let's see if I like it. So there you can see what's in here. Okay, I'm gonna try a little bit. Okay, kind of nervous because never tried this before. Tastes like tinapa. Tastes like sardines, but it's fried. You know, it's kind of, you can tell it's kind of fried. And let's try put oil on the rice, and I'm gonna try to put spicy vinegar in it. Okay, let's try it. Oh my god, it makes it different. Oh my god, that's why people love gourmet. That's why they love this. I notice a lot of people like eating this. There's a lot. This is very popular in the Philippines, but I never. There is a lot of different kind of gourmet in a Asian store. But when I say fil-am product, I can grab it and then why not try it, guys? So it's really good. Roxy staring at me. I don't know why I got a lot from the bottle. It's really good, guys. It's very garlicky too. And I noticed that how do you call this? The bone, it's really soft that you can eat it. It's like sardines. But this is better than sardines, honestly. It's so good. Okay. I want to tell you some story about the Asian store that I went to. Let me drink water because I'm thirsty. Asian store that I went to, guys, it was first when Tommy and I, the last time I went to, I noticed something. It's a new owner. I think it's a new owner because all the people, you know, mostly Asian store owned by the family. And then I noticed something, there are different people working there, and all those people that I saw all the time, they are not there. Some of the product are on sale, and because they want to get, maybe they want to get rid and put a new things, and they rearrange everything, and they're kind of cleaner this time now. And there is some products that I never seen before. That's this one, and so that's why. And I kind of excited for that there is a new owner. But let's keep eating this because I kind of like it, so it's worth it, guys. So yeah, so let's eat. I hope you guys are like have something to eat. Please go to your kitchen and get something, and you know, grab something, you know, to eat, like chicheria or whatever. If it's late night now over there where you are, so grab something, you know, chicheria or something for you to eat while I'm eating, guys. So it is really good. You can really eat a lot of rice, and you know me, guys, I always eat a lot of rice. And yeah, this time I don't want to eat a lot, you know. This is even a lot, but for me this is nothing, guys. This is not enough. What do you want in my life? Oh, it's so good. So good. So good. Oh my god. Guys, you should have, even without the spicy vinegar, guys. Oh, gee. The oil, garlic, and stuff in it. Like, oh my god. So good. Oh my god. No kidding, guys, this is really good. I don't know, I know for sure there's a lot of good gourmet in the Philippine product, but this is my first time and I like it so much. I love it. And I can just tell you something, maybe there is better than this, but this is my first time. I love it already. Is it worth it buying this? Of course. And it's $3 something only, guys, and it's not just like you know, like a little bit inside. It's a lot, you know, it's a lot. That's why you cannot really just get the pieces, the whole piece of it. You have to really dig in, because you know, it's full, which is good, you know. So oh my god. Hindi pwede makinamot because it's so oily. It's so oily. I wanna use my hand, but it's so oily. So good. It's worth it buying this. A little oil. Yeah. So good. It's not even salty. It's not even salty. Tammy would love this. I don't know, but he doesn't like sardines. Probably he won't like this. Tammy won't like sardines. It's so good, guys. My rice, honestly, it's not really enough. It's the bomb. It's a bomb diggity. Bomb diggity giddy giddy. The spicy that I squeeze in there, I don't even taste any spice whatsoever. Ah, you know why I don't taste the spiciness? Because it's oil. You know, oil and spicy, your spiciness won't work that much if you have spicy food. If you have a oily food, yeah. So Kakain pa ako, guys. Yeah, I need more gourmet. It's amazing. Because a lot of celebrity posted gourmet to you with their rice and eggs. I don't know, naglalaway ako. I told to myself, there's a lot of celebrity in the Philippines that posted this kind, like gourmet in their food, the egg, morning thing. But I kinda just thinking, oh, when can I try that? Where can I find a good one? Stuff like that. So every time I go to a grocery store, I always look for like this. But if I can see that, you know, name that there's no brand. I mean, I like fil-am brand, but like, you know, the fil-am store from New Jersey. I like the fil-am thing. Even the bagoong is fil-am. I think it's fil-am. Let me see. Even the bagoong is fil-am. So that's how I know fil-am is good. And so, and I tried bagoong before with any names, just a name who made it, and I don't like it. So I tried fil-am one, and you know, it's good. And so I found this one. I got it. So you guys, you can order this also. This is not sponsored whatsoever. Not sponsored. So I just wanna review this one if it's worth buying. Yes, it is. And you can, I think fil-am store you can order online. Yeah, you can order online. It's really good. Yes, I'm done. Oh God, it's so good. And that's it. I still have left here. I'll keep it. I will cover it in the refrigerator, and I will have that for dinner later. Time check, it's 12:41. So you guys, screenshot, guys, if you wanna know, screenshot this picture, and yeah, and look for this kind. You know, a screenshot that you won't forget. You would love this. And anyway, guys, that's it, guys. Guys, if you love mukbang, if you love me doing mukbang more often, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it so much. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. And yeah, worth it buying. Bye, guys. Bye. Oh my God.